We begin now with more breaking news. This emergency response is underway this hour in Midtown Manhattan. A 38-story building appears now to be on the verge of collapse. Video shows the building's steel columns buckling. Workers on site say they were, quote, bending like cigarettes.
Clifford Johnsen is on the scene. He is a business agent for the Steamfitters Local 638. He joins us now. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. Probably a little hard to hear us out there, but we understand the situation. Please do give us an update on what we know at this point.
Well, I don't know if I'd be the best one to give you that information, but what I can tell you is this morning I got a phone call from some of my members on site who were working on the project. The beams were bending, concrete was falling. Walls were collapsing, so I cover the east side of Manhattan for Steamfitters Local 638. So I came over, make sure not only our members, but every construction worker on site was out of the job, and outside and safe and everything. We made sure everybody was outside. So I don't think anyone's going back in this building for a while. This is not something you typically see in New York City. You have one of the best labor forces in the world. So to have a building have steel bending while it's under construction, to me, it's a lack of vetting your contractors. To me, it's a lack of not picking safety over profits.
Wow. That is quite a statement coming from you, Cliff. This is Jillian. When you arrived on scene this morning, what was your top tier, most urgent priority?
The most urgent priority is to get every construction worker out of that site. And remove everyone that was in the street and remove everyone from there, which the NYPD and the FDNY, I mean, Lord knows we're good at it. So they had everything set, caution taped off, evacuating buildings, and everything went as smooth as it could possibly be. So going forward, you just hope that these contractors use reputable construction and responsible construction in the city of New York, so you don't have to put these people's lives, buildings. You know, we're here for the World Cup. You have everyone in the country, and you have New York City under siege over here because it wasn't done correctly. Now, I don't know whether it was an engineer or it was the installation or if it was the concrete or just the building under release settling. You know, I'm not a structural engineer, but I do know that I-beams aren't supposed to bend in half.
Yeah, that is just, it's crazy to think about. And some of these new pictures, the one we just had previously up on the screen, brand new picture provided to us from the FDNY. To your point, Clifford, you just don't see this happen. The mayor of New York City, Mamdani, held a news conference shortly following. He said this on the structure of the building. Listen.
2 structural columns have buckled, in addition to multiple cracks and sagging floors. The building remains unstable. Since arriving on scene, we have witnessed additional movement in one of the compromised columns. First responders and structural engineers are working closely with the project engineer to develop plans to shore up the impacted floor.
So to your point, Clifford, about you just don't see this happen, do you have any theories on why it did?
You know, what I can say is the union labor in New York has built the Trade Center, Hudson Yards, the Empire State Building, Citi Field, Yankee Stadium, all of them. And none of our members or nobody in the union in New York City has ever seen an I-beam bend like that. So you're obviously putting profits before safety, and that's the main concern of everybody that's here right now. We have to do a better job.
Wow. Well, thanks for taking time out and jumping on this call with us, Cliff. We really appreciate it. Stay safe.
Thanks, Clifford.
Anytime.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.